Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to off dial pad tone in Oppo mobile phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, we will click on the setting icon. After clicking on the setting icon, swipe up and click on the sound and vibration option. After clicking on the sound and vibration option, swipe up and here you will see dial pad tone is on. Off this, it means that it doesn't produce any sound when you use dial pad. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. Meet you soon with next video. Thank you.